Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to be opening up my first box from Yesstyle. Now this box was sent to me on behalf of Skinfood, and there's supposed to be a lot of fun things inside. Yesstyle is a global Asian marketplace. You can get a lot of different things. Sorry, it's really hard to talk with this mask on. And yeah, I'm excited to show you what's inside. So pour your favorite beverage and let's crack it open. Cheers! That's so good. Now today I thought it was appropriate to pair my box with soju. This is a strawberry soju. I ran out of the lychee, which is actually my favorite. But soju, nice and refreshing for a hot day, and it just pairs really well with this box. So first off, I have prepped my skin. I washed it. I put on a firming lifting toner, and then I put on this mask, which is now completely dry. This is a collagen mask, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. It'll be a lot easier to talk, to drink, and to do everything once this is off. But you can kind of see this is where I'm starting with on my face. Not bad. It's kind of interesting. It turns clear or clearish once it's dry, and I've had that on for a few hours, but you can also sleep in it. So while I open this box, let me tell you a little bit more about Skinfood. Skinfood is a Korean cosmetics brand that roots itself in using food as their main ingredient in their products. So I love that they focus on the nutritive, properties of food, and all of their products feature at least one food ingredient. So I got a few goodies sent to me from Skinfood and Yesstyle in exchange for my honest review, and I was super excited. So I peeked and I know what I'm getting, but it's still just as fun to open it with you. So the two main things I have here are these carrot calming water pads. This is a box or a package of, I believe it's 60, but I will open that up. And then this rice wash off mask, and then an applicator. So I'll put this to the side and we can dig in. So first off, I'm going to start with this rice wash off mask. Now this is focused on rice bran. Rice bran is high in antioxidants, so it's going to help with the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, dullness. It's going to help, with free radicals. And also there are some extra ingredients in here, including some humectants like sodium hyaluronate and polyglutamic acid. So that's going to help with the hydration moisture aspect. And the texture of this is really interesting. So that's going to be kind of the exfoliating part of this. Is a wash off mask. So you can kind of see it kind of reminds me of rice pudding. I don't know if you can tell, maybe if I show you this part. So it kind of reminds me of rice pudding. It's just a really clean smell. It doesn't really smell like rice or anything. But the fun thing is, in addition to this mask, they sent me this handy silicone brush, which I love these. Nice sturdy handle. And these are great for putting on lots of different masks. All different kind of clay masks, anti-aging masks. So I'm going to take a little bit from here, kind of scoop it up, and you can see when you use the silicone, you kind of take everything off the top because we don't want to waste any of this goodness. And I'm going to put some on my hands so you can see. So these kind of like, I guess it's rice in here, is kind of providing that exfoliation. So you can see it's thick. It really has a really nice consistency, almost emollient. And you're supposed to put this on your skin after washing it, dry your skin, and you put it on for 5 to 10 minutes. And then you go ahead and wash that off and continue with the rest of your routine. So this is something I could definitely do on an exfoliating night, or, if I'm just kind of having a pamper me day and doing my own facial. So super fun. It's a pretty nice tub. You don't need a lot for your entire face. So I think this can definitely go places, and I'm excited to use that. So that's my first product from Skinfood. And first two, if you include the handy spatula, which I love. And next, can't speak. We have these calming water pads. Now the main ingredient here, carrot. So that's going to be the focus here. This is a moisturizing pad containing beta carotene from fresh carrot seed oil. These are plump cotton pads filled with moisturizing ingredients, hydrate and soothe the skin barrier. So this is after washing your face, you're supposed to use the pads. So once again, you're starting with a dry, clean face, which I have here. And what I like about this is the beta carotene is an antioxidant. It also provides brightening aspects. And one of the interesting things about beta carotene is when paired with vitamin C and sunscreen, it can actually help reduce the effects of UV damage. So this would be something really great maybe to apply if you've completely burnt your skin off, or even before. So hopefully we're using sunscreen and we're not completely burning our skin off, but just in case you do get a little burn, which happens, this is nice to apply. So this is the tub. Let's see, there are 60 pads in here. So this is a nice size. Plastic container. Let me open this up. They smell earthy, but not really like carrots, which is okay. They are white, not orange. I don't know if you expected them to be orange. And one of the fun things about these pads versus other pads is they are super thick. So I'm gonna take one out now to show you. This is one pad, and you can use this, kind of like this, just as a toning pad, maybe get some extra makeup off at the end of the day. Or like I said, if your skin is just stressed or just needs to be, purified, brightened in an area, you can actually, see if I can do this. You can open these up and your 60 pads now turns to 120 pads, and you can apply them wherever you need that extra hydration, that extra brightening. So I'll put one here, and then maybe one here. And I can leave that on for like 5 to 10 minutes. So that's super fun. You can walk around the house, you can have a sip of your soju. And you can just do other things. I don't know, like brush your teeth while you have the pad on. So you can leave these on for like 5 to 10 minutes and then take them off, and I don't know, just looks really nice. And then, there's still so much on here. You can just keep on going with the 2 pads. I don't ever like to waste products, so I'm all about putting it on my neck, if my shirt's low enough, down my décolleté. My hands always need it. All that brightening, antioxidant properties. We all know our hands get so much sun damage. They're probably in the sun more than anything else. And this is what they look like after. So all of these products, or both of these products, are great. I can't wait to continue exploring Skinfood, see what other products I can find. Both of these products are available on Yesstyle, and I'm excited to see what else I can get from Yesstyle. So I will be putting a code and a link down below so you can purchase Yesstyle products using my discount code, and we can explore Yesstyle together. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment down below if you're a fan of Skinfood, what some of your favorite products are. Also, if you like to shop at Yesstyle and what some of your favorite products are there. Love to share in some of these tips. I always love to discover new skincare. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my next video. Hope you have an amazing day. Thank you. Bye.